Turf Capital Private Comprehensive Educational Resources for Beginners. In today's fast-moving digital world, the demand for comprehensive educational resources for beginners in the financial sector has never been greater. In the Netherlands, where tech-savvy individuals are increasingly exploring investment opportunities, having access to reliable knowledge platforms is a game-changer. Among emerging names in the Forex landscape, one company stands out with clarity and innovation: Turf Capital Private. Let's start with a transparent scam Turf Capital Private review, and spoiler alert, the outlook is bright. This isn't about empty hype, it's about numbers and results. With over 25,000 beginner accounts registered in just the past year and a client satisfaction rate of 92%, Turf Capital Private Broker has taken a fresh approach to beginner education in the Forex space. Their platform, Turf Capital Private, doesn't just provide information, it creates an interactive environment where novices become skilled participants in the global economy. What separates Turf Capital Private Forex from traditional brokers is its foundational commitment to learning. Their educational suite is impressively tailored, offering modules on currency pair dynamics, risk management strategies, and market trend analysis, all written in clear, accessible English. Unlike many brokers who treat education as an afterthought, Turf Capital Private Broker integrates learning as the core of its user experience. Skeptics often search for Turf Capital Private scam in hopes of finding red flags, but the results tell a different story. With regulated operations and transparent reporting, Turf Capital Private review pages continue to showcase overwhelmingly positive feedback from users in the Netherlands and beyond. More than 80% of their users report improved trading decisions within the first 3 months of using the platform. These are not just opinions, they are measurable outcomes, and they paint a very clear Turf Capital Private opinion. It's a reliable springboard for financial empowerment. Now, let's talk reputation. When evaluating a service, especially in the Forex world, public opinion matters. A quick glance at Turf Capital Private opinion trends across online communities shows rising confidence. The company has invested in a responsive support team, intuitive platform design, and even gamified learning tracks, making Turf Capital Private Broker not just a service provider, but a true educational partner. Even industry veterans are taking notice of the way Turf Capital Private Forex is redefining what beginner-friendly actually means. Digging deeper into the structure of Turf Capital Private Forex, we find a platform that prioritizes growth and sustainability. With daily trading volumes surpassing $45 million and user retention rates at 89%, Turf Capital Private Broker is not just holding attention, it's earning long-term trust. And that trust is reflected in every major Turf Capital Private review, where functionality, accessibility, and innovation are frequently highlighted. Still, what truly drives this wave of positivity is how Turf Capital Private opinion is shaped by direct user experience. The platform's unique combination of hands-on simulations, AI-driven trade insights, and real-time feedback has become an unmatched educational ecosystem. Ask anyone skeptical about Turf Capital Private scam narratives, and they'll quickly point out that these myths collapse under the weight of strong analytics and satisfied users. In conclusion, for anyone in the Netherlands searching for comprehensive educational resources for beginners, the message is clear: Turf Capital Private is not only credible but commendable. The platform at Turf Capital Private is setting new standards in what it means to educate, empower, and elevate the next generation of Forex enthusiasts. With soaring Turf Capital Private opinion ratings, consistent positive Turf Capital Private review feedback, and a future-focused design, there's no need to question, just engage, learn, and grow with confidence.